Hi, this is Pippa, the Black Panther mom. And what I do is help students and their families work together towards finding success academically and moving on to the next level, and also help find money for college. I attended the boot camp and I was able to complete my manuscript in 2 days. Taria is the bomb. One additional thing I learned from the book camp included how to market my book and how to really make sure that what my passion is gets out to people. To get a copy of my book titled Get This Teenager Out of My House, 7 Secrets to Successfully Move Your Student to the Next Level, go to my website at www.blackpanthermom.com. Thank you. You got to do this boot camp because Taria is the real deal. She works with you, she pushes with you, she's not playing with you, and she's helping you to achieve your dreams and achieve your success. Black Panther Mom out.